Hello students, today we are going to study reaction of metals with acid. As we all know that metals react with dilute acid to form salt and hydrogen gas. See, okay, here we know that now what are the acids, HCl, H2SO4. So, do all the metals react in the same way? So, we know that no. See, they have asked in the activity that you can put dilute acid and add metals in it. Okay, so we will have to see that whether all the metals are reacting with the same way or not. For example, first of all, sodium and potassium. We will not do this experiment with this sodium and potassium, because even if they are put in water, they give violent reaction. They are very reactive, so we will not do any reaction. But what happens when we are adding HCl or H2SO4 to MgSO4, है ना, and aluminium, zinc, manganese and copper? Here we will see that magnesium, the temperature increase in magnesium will be maximum and temperature will be maximum increase, and like this it will go downwards. Okay, it will follow the downward turn. Okay, temperature produce or the heat produce, it will be highly exothermic, and the heat produce will be, if we are repeating this experiment with magnesium, aluminium, zinc and manganese, we will see that the heat produced will follow this trend, that maximum heat will be produced in the case of magnesium, then aluminium, then zinc and then magnesium. मतलब सबसे ज़्यादा heat produce कहाँ होगी? जब magnesium है ना dilute acid से react करेगा. After that उससे कम aluminium के केस में होगी and zinc के केस में, और उसके बाद manganese. Copper will not react, ये react नहीं करता है. Do not react. So heat produce will be maximum in case of magnesium and hydrogen bubbles. ठीक है, कि हाइड्रोजन गैस के वो बबल्स हैं वो कितने प्रोड्यूस होंगे, उसका भी यही ट्रेंड रहेगा. मैग्नीशियम के केस में हाइड्रोजन बबल्स सबसे ज़्यादा. ओके, दिस विल बी डिक्रीजेस. ठीक है, रिएक्टिविटी इस तरह से. नाउ वन मोर थिंग इज दैट यहाँ डाइल्यूट एसिड, हम लोगों ने मिनरल एसिड्स पढ़े थे, HCl, देयर इज H2SO4, HNO3, like this. But here in this, in our case, this reaction, metals will not react with HNO3 to produce हाइड्रोजन गैस. हाइड्रोजन गैस HNO3 के साथ प्रोड्यूस नहीं करते हैं मेटल्स, ये बात याद रखिएगा. Why it is happening that in a metal, if a metal is reacting with dilute HNO3, it is giving no hydrogen gas, no hydrogen gas is produced. Here we have to remember that HNO3 is a strong oxidizing agent. ये बहुत strong oxidizing agent होता है. Okay, this is the most strong oxidizing agent, and that's why the hydrogen gas produce, इसमें भी होती है हाइड्रोजन गैस, बट this hydrogen gas oxidizes, इसमें ऑक्सीजन ऐड हो जाता है तो ऑक्सीडाइजेस कहेंगे. दिस हाइड्रोजन गैस ऑक्सीडाइजेस टू वाटर एंड HNO3 itself get reduced to N2O, NO and NO2. इन सब में ना ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाती है. दैट्स वाई इन केस ऑफ the reaction between metal and dilute HNO3, no hydrogen gas is produced. Okay, so again we are seeing this topic, revising this topic, reaction of metals with acids. We know that metals react with dilute acid to give salt